Hi, in this video I will show you how to backup app data on Android without rooting your device. In this case I am using a Samsung phone, so let's get started. First, open your Android phone settings. Then select the Account and Backup menu. Well, here are some options that you can choose to back up your app data, such as Samsung Cloud, Google Drive, and even to external storage via Smart Switch. I am more comfortable and recommend you to back up to external storage only, so choose the external storage transfer option. Next, of course, select SD card storage as the backup location. If you only want to back up app data, then select the custom option and check only the app section. In this app section, you can also choose which apps you want to backup. Of course, you can choose all apps, but here I only want to backup the CapCut app as an example. The last step, tap the backup button. Then just wait for the process to take place for a few minutes. And done. Now your app backup file has been saved on external storage. Precisely in the Smart Switch backup folder. Remember, don't delete this folder, because it is very much needed in the app data restore process later. That's all for this video. Hopefully it's useful. And thank you for watching.